to another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. No, you look at the title so you know what I'm talking about. I am talking about the Royal Wedding of the Year. And no, I'm not talking about Dana Royal and China K because, for them, them have them like influencer things a couple weeks ago. And I'm not talking about Queenie or Dewey. I'm not talking about them. I am talking about another social media it couple, and that is Shanzi and her no husband Nino. No, people, if you don't know who these people are, you need to do your little research. You need to do some homework. No, the popular influencer duo of businessman and party promoter Jermaule, hold on, let me pronounce the word here. Jermaule, Jermaule, Nino Adair, and marketer entrepreneur Shanice Shanzi Allen. They tied the knot on Sunday, December 11, and guess where them tied the knot? We are talking about Rose Hall Great House in St. And people, so right there, so I don't know, regular money I spend right there. So take a look at some of the festivities. Oh yes, and based on the images, it looked like say a Pierre Daly did rush out at that wedding. Pierre Daly did in at the bridal party. Everybody looked good, everybody dressed up, everybody bathed, everybody looked clean, and everybody got the memo that they were not supposed to be posting no bag of pictures and images on social media, because all of this is being documented for their wedding series, a daring moment. Yes man, they have that working out with First Line JA, where you can pay a subscription for watch their reality show that is going on that website. And so I'm sure a lot of persons have been subscribing to it. What I'm hearing according to Loop News is that they have over 5,000 people who have already subscribed to the series, and it is going for over $7 USD to fast and the people in business. So they're in their bag right there. And I'm just honestly just like impressed. I think this is just such an excellent year for the influencers, the social media influencers. They have really been bringing the vibes, bringing the energy, the same look excitement of what that we see with a lot of the reality stars in America and across the globe. I like that our own influencers are tapping into that sort of energy and giving the local audience, a bit of that Ray, Woy, and Lad. And Shanzi and Nino, they've been planning this wedding for over a year. We've been seeing everything. They've been dating for quite a while. Him is a party promoter, she's a girl influencer. Both of them come together. They were able to successfully merge their brands together. She can market. He has the behind the scenes experience planning events. It just totally comes together. They are literally a power couple, and so continued success for them. But they have been planning this thing for over a year. We saw when Nino proposed to her, they did that video on their YouTube page. And then since then, they have been inviting the public along the journey. So we see the birthday celebrations. We have seen the proposal. We have seen the what you call it, the bridal, what you call it, like a bridal, the bridal shower. But you know the bridal shower. Jesus Christ, why am I that sleep me now? Barry does just stay with me. But we've been seeing all of these moments play out on social media, and now it has culminated for their wedding day. Manala, like these pictures look amazing. They are a beautiful couple. Like, you know, some time ago, Shanzi and Nino, they were interviewed on CVM at Sunrise, and they were, you know, questioned about their thoughts leading up to marriage.
I don't know why. I guess marriage will hold you more accountable for a lot of stuff, but I feel like when people always think that when you get married, things will change. I mean, apart from certain, you know, protocols and stuff like that, I feel like I wouldn't really want much to change because that's why we're here. So I don't want things to change too much, and then, you know, we're different people in our marriage. So I would love that. I would love if it could be like similar, at least the same like we're now.
Yeah. Will anything be different for you?
With kids, yeah.
Oh, but with children. Yeah. A wife.
Like she says, the marriage make it official, so not like it's pressure, really pressure, but you know you have a lot more to lose than say, oh, that's my girlfriend. It's different, no, that's my wife, and it's on paper like that's my wife. So.
What smile?
I've been telling him to practice that. You know that the phrase.
Like saying my wife already. That's like different. Yeah. You know, no, man, I call my girlfriend. Everything. You know, I call my wife.
Or I need to check with my wife.
I check with my wife before I agree on this.
Yeah.
So, like to say, I don't want much to change like between like how we relate to each other and the friendship, but like it just make it more official. And yeah, that's. And as I said, family. Yeah. Start a family and that's
are you looking forward to having
that.
children?
So looking forward because I waited this long. Like I always wanted to have kids in wedlock, but just like she always wanted that. So.
And so yes, that's what they said earlier in the year, and I'm just happy for them. Like everyone just seems so supportive of this couple. They are young and they are in love. No, they're saying that everything didn't go according to plan to the point where the wedding was probably cancelled. That's what Shanzi told Loop News in an interview on Monday. It was bad, really bad. Eye water balling bad, but it ended up turning into a great night. And based on the images and video clips on social media, the public would have missed that cue. So she went on to say that from the outside looking in, persons wouldn't know, but for me, who has been planning for like a year, I know everything that was missing, she added later. While she was happy with the results, she mentioned feeling deflated and somewhat disappointed that logistics and poor planning impacted the affair. I was kinda sad about that, but never make it ruin my night. The devil tried us, but we made it. Seeing guests, however, made it worthwhile, and she quickly drew caution to the wind by accepting that this was her version of a fairy tale. Now, due to the recording of Adair Moment special, guests were not allowed to record. There were no NDAs, but the invitations had strict rules, and security guards were on hand to ensure all cameras were down. Ironic considering the phones out phenomenon landed the newlyweds their present day popularity. That's how Loop News I say. So Instagram posts were reduced to guests on grass pics that looks like they stood in the middle of nowhere. A clever way to build momentum if you ask me. So Loop continues and said that the bride wore a crystal embellished sweetheart neckline dress in the Cinderella silhouette. It was made by Kosovo-based bridal fashion designer, I can't pronounce that name right now, Efola Hazizmahi. Her dress for the reception was also designed and imported from Kosovo. Her something new was, of course, her dress, shoes, and train. Her something blue was an angel trinket for her bouquet, a gift from her mother. Her something old, underwear, and her something borrowed, a ring from her best friend Shante Beswick. He wore, that is Nino, he wore an ivory three-piece suit with black satin lapels and matching black trousers by fashion designer Lecky Marco of brand Marco fame. He paired the fit with patent leather Christian Louis Vuitton lace ups. Wow, that, honestly, I'm just so happy for this couple. They have been setting trends. I'm gonna ask Christ if you're not gonna see more influencers wanting to keep up to this sort of what you call it, moment on social media. Everybody gonna want to have big public wedding now. People are gonna want to set up. It's going to be a spectacular grand fair. But remember, people, if you no money don't tall like Nino and Shanzi, just humble yourself and just do what you can afford. No need for run down what you perceive is the hype. From you love each other, just do it based on what y'all needs and circumstances are. And that is where I go and leave it right here, Berredas. So big up to Shanzi and Nino on what seems to be such a great wedding. I hope you have a great honeymoon. Me I hear say you go to the Maldives for go celebrate. Hopefully the documentation, the video when is going there, because we on social media very fast. Well, that's it for this countdown quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Make sure you say subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, all of them strips there. Okay, take care until next time.